G'day viewers, well, finally put my tripod to good use, both hands free to work. Just do a teardown on this little quick charger by CC Lee for a model airplane. This little model airplane, the clock dial came off. Little tie, like a tie switch in there. Let's open it up and see what it's like inside. I've still got the actual airplane instead of this. For a little, what it is, it blows quite a fair bit of air. Really powerful little fans. Yep, the tripod still sits perfectly level. It's good. It's handy, even got the little spirit level on it. Time to do some proper videos now. I've got a good tripod. That screw doesn't want to come all the way out for some reason. There we go. A big 20 watt resistor. 20 watts for me. 2.8 ohms. There they do indicate that power is on. A little resistor on there. Nothing much else there, just big copper traces under that circuit board. And that's the main ballast that charges the I think it's a 7.2 volt NIMH battery pack. Let's take this out and get a good detailed look at this timer / time switch. CA2002 2002, I think it's from 00162. So it's Coco 2002. I'm assuming the make of it, but the actual brand is CC Lee. The model airplane this goes to. Interesting. Little snail wheel escapement in there. Let's see if I can wind it up. There we are. Can't bloody see it. Too much glare as per usual. Where are we here? There we are. Little escapement going in there. That's better. Little plastic Chinese escapement. Interesting. Let's advance it a bit. Try to find the view. There you go. Try and get good side of that viewfinder. 220 volt, 1.6 amp. This thing can switch. Interesting. Suddenly, what make it? It's got Chinese writing on it. It's a generic thing. But it's actually a 220 volt, 1.6 amp current capacity. And that's the actual switch there, capable of switching 1.6 amp at 220 volt. Interesting. Interesting. Zoom back out a little bit. Well, I think I've got a lens somewhere. I don't know if I'll fit this camera, but I might have to try experimenting with some, see if that actually fits this camera. I'll see how good zoom we can get on this. It has got a screw top in front of where the lens cap goes. You can score a bigger lens on this camera. Don't know if it'll fit though. It'd be bloody handy having a big lens on this. Gets real close-up shots. There's a stop in there, so you don't overwind it. So we're going to assemble it. Now it goes for half an hour, It's a half an hour timer. No, that's definitely the wrong way, it goes this way. Okay. I want to reassemble this. We'll try something else. If I can find something else to tear down, it might look interesting. Kid's toy cat and dog bed. Interesting to see what's inside this. Yeah, wrong type of screwdriver. I need a smaller screwdriver. Time to get the electric screwdriver out. Which one is it? Try this one. There's a bit of loose solder floating around in there. I have to get the solder out of here. Oh, we have a stubborn screw that's worn. I hate worn screws, or bird screws. There's a silicone chip with little barks and meows on it. Some resistors and some tantalum oxide capacitors, and a transistor. It's got K145 underneath that, C8058 and C. And obviously a tiny speaker. That transistor must be what drives the speaker. It's like an, yeah, that transistor's like the amplifier that drives the speaker. And some 3 button cells that powers it. Interesting, there's little circuits. It's all stored on this chip, all those little audio files. Interesting. Not much to it, pretty simple stuff. Well, viewers, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.